Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation with Guided Meditation Voyage, where we will focus on deep breathing to bring calmness and peace into your day. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's begin. Take this moment as a gift to yourself and a few precious minutes to step away from the noise of the world and reconnect with your inner calm. First, take a moment to bring awareness to your breath. Don't try to change anything just yet. Simply observe. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing, how the air flows in and out of your body. Now, let's take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. With each exhale, release any tension you may be holding. Feel your body begin to relax, as if with each breath, you're letting go of the weight you've been carrying. On your next inhale, breathe in deeply, feeling your lungs expand as you fill them with fresh, calming air. Hold this breath for a moment, and as you exhale, imagine all your worries and stresses melting away, dissolving into the space around you. Let's repeat this process. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and exhale slowly for a count of 6. With each exhale, notice how your body feels lighter, as if you're floating gently on a calm sea. Feel the wave of calm spreading through your body with each breath. As you breathe in, imagine you are inhaling peace and tranquility. And as you breathe out, visualize every bit of tension draining from your body like water flowing away, leaving only serenity behind. Continue this pattern, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. With each breath, you are creating a sanctuary of calm within yourself, a peaceful space that you can return to anytime you need. Now, imagine with each inhale, you are drawing in a soft, glowing light. This light represents calmness, peace, and balance. See this light filling your chest, expanding with each breath, spreading calm throughout your body, reaching every corner, your arms, your legs, your mind. As you exhale, imagine any stress, tension, or anxiety leaving your body like a dark mist, evaporating into the air. Picture yourself lighter, free from the weight of the day. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more connected to this present moment. You are not just breathing, you are actively nourishing your mind and body with peace. As you continue to breathe deeply, silently, repeat the following affirmations. I am calm. I am in control of my breath. I release all tension with each exhale. Peace flows through me with every inhale. I am grounded in this moment and I am safe. Let these affirmations guide you, helping you remember that no matter what happens outside, you can always find stillness within. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Feel your body grounded, relaxed, and calm. Notice how your breath has become slower, more rhythmic, more peaceful. Take a moment to acknowledge the stillness that now resides within you. Know that this feeling of calm is not just temporary. It's a part of you that you can access anytime. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and take a deep, final breath in and exhale fully. Feel a sense of clarity and lightness as you move through the rest of your day. Thank you for joining this meditation with Guided Meditation Voyage. Remember, the sense of calm is always available to you through your breath. You are at peace and you are in control. Namaste.